When it's time to get the farm equipment up and ready for the season, you want to make sure you use the right stuff for the job to keep things running smooth and to prevent breakdowns. Introducing the Universal Hydraulic Tractor Fluid from Propel. This J20C grade fluid is the royal treatment for your equipment and is intended for those systems that pull from a common reservoir to lubricate the transmission final drive, wet brakes, clutches, and onboard hydraulics. It provides outstanding thermal stability with a flash point of 224 degrees Celsius and a pour point of minus 39 degrees Celsius, so you can run with confidence on the hottest days or the coldest nights. It offers a highly balanced frictional solution, ensuring precise clutch and brake operations, while reducing chattering for a smooth ride the entire season. The fluid also leaves a strong oil film, preventing metal-on-metal contact, extending the life of all the lubricated components. Lastly, it provides top-class protection against rust and corrosion that can occur in lower-quality fluids when they get contaminated with water. So let's gear up for farming season and keep your machines in tip-top shape with this week's featured product, the Universal Hydraulic Tractor Fluid from Propel. What's your brand of tractor fluid? Tell us about it in the comments, and be sure to subscribe so you can keep up with our 100% Canadian content. Support your local farmers.